Hi, I'm Tristan McCauley from Lucky 7 Tattoo, and I'm going to tell you how to clean a lip ring. The first thing you want to do is use an antibacterial soap or antimicrobial soap on the outside. Just lather it up in your hand, take a Q-tip, and while pushing with your tongue from the inside, you just go around the piercing with a Q-tip, get any of the buildup off of it. It kind of looks like when you get sleep in your eyes. That'll be around the outside of it. And what that soap does is break up any kind of bacteria and helps to dissipate the buildup on the outside. Then on the inside, after you eat, drink, or smoke for the first 4 to 6 weeks, you want to rinse with an alcohol-free mouthwash. You want to avoid spicy foods because that can also irritate the piercing. And you want to avoid drinking alcohol, beer especially, because the hops in the beer can cause an infection. If you have a hoop, which he does not, but you want to kind of turn it when you clean it, going back and forth and getting that buildup off of it. Just keep it really clean, keep it nice. When you wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, kind of go around it with your toothbrush to break up any of the plaque on the inside. Just be very gentle with it, and you should be all right. And that is how you clean a lip piercing.